So welcome students. In this question, you're given that sine cube theta minus cos cube theta by sine theta minus cos theta by root of 1 plus cot square theta minus 2 tan theta cot theta is equal to minus 1. If that is so, theta belongs to which quadrant? So I hope you can see some simplifications in the question. So one of the thing is tan theta cot theta is equal to 1. And 1 plus cot square theta. You know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. You have a simplification here. And here you have a cube minus b cube by a minus b. You know that a cube minus b cube is a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. So I'm using the formula as a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. So a cube minus b cube by a minus b becomes this term, right? So the first term gets simplified to sine square theta plus cos square theta plus sine theta cos theta. It's nothing but 1 plus sine theta cos theta. That's what it gets simplified to. Next, let us go to this. 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. Root of that is mod of cosecant theta. The second term cos theta by, this is mod of cosecant theta. So 1 by mod of sine theta. So this becomes cos theta times mod sine theta. And tan theta into cot theta becomes equal to 1. So effectively, I'll write that also tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So if I simplify, if I put all the simplifications in the question becomes 1 plus sine theta cos theta minus cos theta mod of sine theta minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and this gets cancelled here. This implies sine theta cos theta should be equal to cos theta into mod sine theta. Cos theta is getting cancelled. So mod sine theta has to be equal to plus sine theta. This implies sine theta has to be positive. So theta can belong to either first quadrant or second quadrant. So A and B are the right answers to this question. Thank you.